This is Denver 7 on demand.
Good morning, I'm Molly Hendrickson with the latest from Denver 7. 3,000, that's the number of open teaching positions we have in our state right now. Lawmakers say the teacher shortage is at a crisis level. Today, they'll consider some incentive plans hoping to attract more to the profession. This comes the same week thousands of teachers across the state prepare to walk off the job, mostly over low wages. The Denver City Council is considering spending $250,000 to fight back against an invasive species. Emerald ash borers are those little green metallic bugs that kill ash trees. It's a big problem here because it's threatening the city's canopy. That means less shade, less green, and more money needed to cool your buildings and homes. Today, a Senate committee is going to hear a bill that would limit access to products with dextromethorphan. That's a common ingredient in a lot of cough and cold medicines. This bill would make it illegal for anyone under the age of 18 to buy cold medicine with that in it. That's because people are abusing it to get high. And now here is Lisa Hidalgo from the First Alert Weather Center.
It is a beautiful day today. We're starting off with the mostly sunny sky and some pretty mild temperatures. It's going to get warm this afternoon. We'll be in the low 60s by about 11 o'clock. And then low to mid 70s for highs today. Now you'll notice a few more clouds running from the west, and we'll see a few showers embedded within that. So a slight chance for a few showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Those winds coming in out of the west and then switching overnight tonight. We're tracking another storm that's going to bring potentially a few showers, a rain-snow mix to Denver overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. So it could make for a wet road tomorrow morning. It's going to get colder too. We'll be under a mostly cloudy sky tomorrow. Wet roads for the early morning commute, and our highs only in the 40s tomorrow. So that off of a day of 70s, you'll feel the change. Mid upper 40s on Tuesday. So tomorrow is going to be a first alert action day with this next storm rolling through. It moves out nice and early. You'll see by Wednesday we're under a mostly sunny sky, 65. And then heading into the weekend, Molly, it looks great. This is going to be the first Friday in about a month that we haven't had a chance of snow. We'll be in the 70s with some sunshine.
This has been your Denver 7 On Demand update. Thanks for joining us, and make sure you check back here later today for another update and download the Denver 7 app for breaking news and alerts. I'm Molly Hendrickson.